Turnkey, furnished lakefront, scenic setting, deep waterfront off dock. End of street location, level lot entry. Open floor plan offers one level living leading to lakefront deck. Second floor loft. Charming stone wood burning fireplace in living room open to family room with lakefront views. Kitchen boasts center island breakfast bar, solid wood cabinetry, eat-in dining. First floor all hardwood and master bedroom west/2 double closets, full bath. Additional half bath that is plumbed for shower, owner opted for relocating washer/dryer from basement level. Second floor loft west/additional living space for sleep and play. 37 feet deck, perfect for outdoor entertainment. Open area for lawn games, just steps to cantilever dock and additional floating dock. 9 restaurants by lake. Hiking and biking trails. Men to ski, train and shops.